In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Vercel Token. A Vercel token is a secure key that lets tools like the Vercel CLI automation scripts or external integrations act on your behalf. I will walk you through the process clearly, explain what each choice means, and share a few best practices so you feel confident from start to finish. First, log into your Vercel account. Once you are in, look to the bottom right corner of the dashboard for your profile picture. Click that avatar to open the account menu. Then choose Settings. This takes you to your account configuration area. On the left-hand sidebar, find and click Tokens. Before you continue, make sure you are viewing your personal account and not a specific team. This matters because personal tokens apply to your own account, while team scope tokens are limited to the team you choose. If your goal is a general, account-level token, stay under your personal account. Now, let's create the token. Click the Create button to open the token creation modal. Give the token a clear descriptive name so you'll recognize its purpose later, such as indicating where it will be used or what it's for. Next, choose the scope. Select Personal Account if you want the token to work with your own account resources, or pick a specific team if the token should only access that team's projects. Then set the expiration. You can choose a short window like 1 day for temporary work, 30 days for near-term tasks, or no expiration if you truly need a long-lived token. When in doubt, choose the shortest practical lifespan to reduce risk. Finally, click Create Token. As soon as the token is generated, copy it immediately. Vercel only shows it once for security reasons. If you close the window without copying, you won't be able to see it again and you will have to create a new one. Treat this token like a password. Store it securely in a reputable password manager, or set it as an environment variable in your CI or CD environment, so it never appears in plain text. Avoid pasting it into shared documents or committing it to source control if it's ever exposed. Assume it's compromised and replace it promptly. That's it. Thanks for watching.